Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Julian Ramayu with college student registration number 45242304N0. I am from the Class C Geological Engineering Study Program, Gorontalo State University. This video was made with a purpose to fulfill applied English assignment with the lecturer Miss Dr. Esi Yayu Indrianti Arifin MSI. In this video, I will present material from Group C2 regarding environmental problems and environmental conservation efforts related to geological activities. With the case study that I took, namely problems and conservation efforts due to coal mining in Serongga Village, Kota Baru, Regency. First, we will discuss the preliminary background of this case study. The environmental damage around Sud, Kalimantan is proven by the lack of awareness of the local community of workers and the company police, such as the large number of mini holes that they do not exploit, meaning of rocks, debris which is just waste, which has a negative impact on the surrounding community and can result in health problems and even death. This is due to the thick dust caused by mining activities and the many very deep mining holes. Indonesia is a country rich in natural resources, one of which is coal and is one of the large coal producing countries in the world. One of the regions in Indonesia with the large coal producer is South Kalimantan. Various companies have been established there such as PT Adaro Indonesia, PT Arutmin Indonesia, PT Pilo Coal Mining. The progress of coal mining actually has a negative impact on the environment. This make the ecosystem clean in the area. Problem formulation. The first, what problems are occurring in Kota Baru, South Kalimantan? The second, what impact does this problem have? And the last, what efforts will the community take to reduce and avoid it? Objective. The first, now the environmental problems that occur in Kalimantan. Second, now what impact you will receive. And the last, now the efforts and solution as well as solving problems that occur. After the introducing, we will move on to the discuss section. The first is environmental problems due to coal mining in Serongga Village, Kota Baru, Regency. According to Law Number 4 of 2009, conquering mineral and coal, mining includes some or all stage of activities within the scope of exploration, management, and exploitation of mineral or coal in general. Coal mining companies or the large coal producing areas, of course, must know how to manage mine tailings properly and correctly so that the community is not harmed or disturbed in their survival. Just because there are a lot of tares or tailings left behind. The second is impact of coal mining in Serongga Village, Kota Baru, Regency. Some impact of mining activities. The first, mine pits. There are several large holes or craters left by all miners, leaving the land exposed to such an extent that is impossible to reclaim it. The second, acid and drainage. Contains heavy metals that have the potential to cause long-term environmental impact. The third, tailings. Tailings contain algebraic heavy lift of metals such as copper, lead, mercury, zinc, arsenic, which are harmful to living things. And the last, sludge. Coal washing resources stored in collection tanks which also contains harmful metals such as boron, selenium, and nickel. Let's move on. Coal mining still has many other environmental pollution impact, namely the first, water pollution. In South Kalimantan itself, there is coal-fired power plant. Scientific and medical experts have relevant the health hazard. Coal-fired power plants also emit dangerous and deadly chemicals such as mercury and arsenic. The second, soil pollution in South Kalimantan itself. The holes excavated from coal mines are very large and deep. This is from of soil pollution because the dark holes cannot be closed again. This causes the holes to turn into artificial lakes which contain very high levels of acid and are very dangerous. And last, air pollution. One of the impact felt by the community in Sorongga village, Kota Baru Regency, is the river being polluted by coal mining waste. The river water is black and murky, making it difficult for the people there to survive. The final discuss is efforts and management of impact from coal mining in Sorongga village, Kota Baru Regency. Steps that can be used to control the impact of mining activities on water, resource plants, and wildlife are the first, use sediment containment structure to minimize the amount of sediment leaving the work site. Second, develop an overflow control system plan to prevent intrusion to minimize hazardous substance in the water body. The third, avoid construction activities in critical places. The fourth, reduce the possibility of cyanide poisoning for birds and wildlife by naturalizing cyanide or in tailings ponds or erection fence and nests to prevent wildlife from entering tailings ponds. The five, minimize the use of fence or other barriers. And last, limit impact caused by habitat fragmentation, minimize the number of access roads and closures, and rehabilitate units route meaning. The last one is the cover, suggestion. Environmental pollution that occurs as a result of coal mining needs to be taken seriously because if not, environmental pollution will get bigger and regular checks and monitoring need to be carried out with the aim of monitoring the development of pollution to see whether it is getting much better or worse. Consolation. Apart from meaning, by beneficial for developing the economy of local residents. Coal mining in South Kalimantan also cause many environmental problems which greatly disrupt the survival of surrounding communities. Apart from having quite serious problems, coal mining also has big impacts such as air, water, and soil pollution. But behind it all, we have solution or effort to reduce the impact that occur. Maybe that's all I can say in my presentation this time. I would like to thank our lecturer and teaching assistant who have helped me in carrying out the segment given. I apologize for more or less. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.